What's up everybody, welcome to my new video. We're back on here trying to create an image classifier, something simple, not a full on. Also, we're not creating it from scratch. We have OpenCV. I want to try a few other ones like Cloud Vision, whichever one honestly. This one's from Google right here, the bottom one. But I've heard a lot about OpenCV, so let me try that one out. I prefer it in JavaScript, that's why I have the JavaScript one open. But if I have to, I would try it in Python. So I guess these are tutorials, so let's just see what we can do. The goal is to detect items like fruits or, simple stuff. Nothing too crazy. So as an introduction, yeah, I know nothing about this. So we're just gonna start from the get-go. Am I gonna read everything on camera? Probably not. Maybe we can just Google some tutorials that like kind of condenses all of this, kind of gives us an overview. This seems to be like a in-depth. I mean, this is directly from the company, so. Oh, let's see. Let's look at this. I'm skipping steps here. So we gotta, yeah, I'm skipping a few steps. There's like a whole tutorial you gotta go with object detection. That's probably how you gotta do it, huh? That's probably how you gotta do it like that. Create a web page. Okay, yeah, that's interesting actually. Learning about it. Should I just change this series into like a learning? Like just learning about it? Or should I wait, which one is this one? This is the first one? We're going from introduction to introduction and tutorial. I might just change this video into that, but I did want to open up like Google, just like a direct tutorial. So we'll just say something like like a tutorial that somebody has made. So like OpenCV JS tutorial, not made by OpenCV, because OpenCV is like very in depth, like that's too in depth right there. But if it's made by like a YouTuber or somebody else, I had already clicked on this link. Yeah, that's OpenCV. So anything that's not OpenCV, how to use OpenCV with JavaScript. We can look at that one. Let's grab one more. Let's look at those three. An introduction to computer vision. Okay, so uploading the image, detecting circles, drawing shapes. Okay, this looks like a good tutorial here. What are the prerequisites? What do you have to? How do you set it up and stuff? Oh, so you need HTML. Okay. Yeah, this is a direct tutorial here. What about over here? What a kind of tutorial over here. So this one is one. Also, it's like I was thinking about it like I was gonna have to use like npm, but it's more of like an API. Okay, this code over here. What kind of tutorial is this one? Arches, categories, how to use this looks like more about just how to choose a file. No, thank you. Not right now. Okay. OpenCV tutorial. We got another one over here. Installation. Okay. Oh, this one tells you like it's a leaf or something. Is that what it says? Damn. Gets into the details, huh? Gets into algebra. Okay, so we're gonna go with the other one. We're gonna go with this one. So prerequisites. In order to complete this tutorial, you will need to pull in the JS library. And so that's the version that's available right now. Save this file locally as... Huh? I have to save the file? Or... Save this file locally in a place where you can easily locate it. What do you mean? Wait, hold on. For that I might have to go back to OpenCV files. I have to go here. OpenCV2 tutorials, Python tutorials. Oh, this is like an overall. You will learn how to set up OpenCV on your computer. I'm gonna set it up. Oh, you have to install it. We're working with Mac here. So, did I miss it? Linux. Installation on Mac. Preview. So this one's done with core functionality, high level. Okay, there's a lot to go through. Anyways, let's just installation on Mac. Let's not do that. Let's keep it over here. Let me go ahead and duplicate this one, and then we're gonna look for a link like this. I'm just gonna Google this link, honestly. Just gonna Google it on here, and then look for the latest version, which I think was this one, or there's more. Okay, we're gonna do tutorials. Maybe, you know what? Maybe in the tutorial. Wait, what did I just? Oh, it's right here. Okay. Documents using OpenCV. It's saying that I have to save it. For example, latest build. Use 3.4. So this is it right here. This is but it's saying I have to save it. So how do we save? Is it? Hold on. Let me see if it starts with docs.org. Okay, cool. Save this file locally as. What's the file? Let me click on it. Let's see what happens here. Oof. So that's a file locally. Bet. That's an actual. Dang, that's a big ass file, bro. I gotta save it. I gotta download this file. Oh, this is all. You see these variables here? This is all minified. Anyways, that's a big ass file, bro. Damn, son. Let me scroll. Look, you can barely. As long as it's not like, like a gigabyte or something. It doesn't look like, because it's just text. It's just numbers. This is all math right here. That's nice. That's what I'm gonna be learning in school. Some more math. Anyways, okay, so let's go ahead and. That's what it doesn't really specify, but I believe that's what it is. So we're gonna, let's see. Actually, let me see how I can directly download this. Is there a way to? There should be a way to. There should be a way to directly. Just kind of save page. Okay, I've saved it onto the desktop. Let's see how it works. Let's look at it one more time though. Save it as opencv.js locally. Alright. Okay, so here it is. Now, yeah, it's a big file. Let's see if I can get some info on it. How big the file is. Not that it matters, We'll check it out later. Setting up the project. To get started, you will first need to create a space for your project. So that's kind of just creating a folder. Ours is called image classifier. Theirs is called OpenCV.js project. Move your local copy of OpenCV to this directory. Boom. Next, add index.html file with the following template. Alright, let's create an index.html. And we're just gonna create that right there. Boom. Kind of small, huh? Okay, so what do we have? So we have HTML, title. We'll worry about that later. HTML. Okay, so script type our JavaScript code. Oh, so this is code. I don't know if I want to do that. I kind of don't want to do the code inside. Yeah, I don't want to do that. I don't like putting code in here. So we just say, what do we call this one? Call it index.js. And then we'll create a index.js. I don't like creating code inside of I don't like doing code inside of HTML. It's kind of weird. Okay, so that's it. Oh, I can add I can add a type. You can do text, JavaScript, and what else? That's it for that one. That's it for now. Alright. In addition, let's see what else. In addition, wait, did I just skip? Okay. In addition to the existing empty script tag in this file, add a new script tag which references the local OpenCV.js file. So it's gonna be after this. It's kind of something. Well, it is after, but then it has async, so I don't know what that means. I don't really use async. So we're gonna have one where it says source OpenCV. We're gonna do the same thing up here. We have the type right here, and then boom, and then async. The script is quite large and takes a bit of time to load, so it is better to load it asynchronously. That's what that is. This can be done by adding async. As OpenCV, okay, I'm gonna end the video right here. Let's just quickly see how big the file is. Okay, so as you guys can see down here, I pulled up the get info. And it's only 11, only for one file. That's not that big, 11 megabytes. Anyways, we're gonna go ahead and end it right here. Thank you guys for watching. Y'all have a good ass day. Peace out.